Have you ever considered that what you eat could be your own personal chemotherapy 3 times a day? This powerful idea comes from Dr. William Li, a world-renowned, Harvard-trained medical doctor and researcher. His groundbreaking work has contributed to over 40 FDA-approved treatments for cancer, heart disease, and more. He's also the best-selling author of Eat to Beat Disease and his new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet. Today, we're diving deep into Dr. Li's teachings on how food truly acts as medicine, protecting our bodies from diseases like cancer. And you'll want to stay tuned because at the end, we'll reveal the 5 powerful fruits Dr. Li frequently recommends for boosting your health. Did you know that diet is linked to 30 to 35% of cancers caused by environmental factors? What's even more surprising is that our bodies are likely forming microscopic cancers all the time. Autopsy studies on people who died in accidents revealed something astonishing. About 40% of women in their 40s had microscopic cancers in their breasts. Around 50% of men in their 50s and 60s had them in their prostate. And by the time we reach our 70s, nearly all of us will have microscopic cancers in our thyroid. This is where the concept of food as medicine becomes so critical. Food is one of the most powerful healthcare tools we have. We make this choice 3 times a day. When you put good things into your body is going to last longer. Modern science shows us that we can deliberately choose foods that work alongside medical treatments, helping them to be more effective. It's not about food versus medicine. It's about food and medicine working together. In his book, Dr. Li details over 150 foods backed by human clinical research. These foods can improve your metabolism, reduce harmful body fat, shrink your waistline, and balance your blood sugar and insulin levels. It's not just about a few superfoods, but a wide variety of natural foods that can make our bodies healthier. Now, let's get to those top 5 fruits Dr. Li often highlights. First up, tomatoes. A huge study followed nearly 80,000 men for over 20 years. It found that men who ate cooked tomatoes 2 to 3 times a week had up to a 50% lower risk of developing prostate cancer. This is thanks to a powerful compound called lycopene. Lycopene is anti-angiogenic, meaning it helps starve cancer by cutting off its blood supply. But that's not all. Lycopene also helps fight fat. It activates a special kind of good fat in our bodies called brown fat, which then helps burn away the harmful white fat. Eating tomatoes can improve your metabolism, lower bad cholesterol, and even shrink your waistline. One study showed that healthy young women who simply ate 1 tomato before lunch every day lost weight and improved their metabolism. To get the most out of tomatoes, you need to cook them. Lycopene is hard for our bodies to absorb when raw. But just 2 minutes of heating makes it 50% more available. Simmering tomato sauce for 30 minutes makes it 250% more available. And here's a pro tip. Cook your tomatoes in olive oil. Since lycopene is fat-soluble, the oil helps your body absorb it much more effectively. For the biggest health punch, Dr. Li suggests specific olive varieties like Moriolo from Italy, Koronaki from Greece, or Picul from Spain, which are packed with cancer-starving polyphenols. Next on the list is the pear. Pears contain chlorogenic acid, a bioactive that revs up your metabolism and helps you burn harmful body fat. It's also anti-angiogenic, helping to stop blood vessels from feeding tumors. Pears are also a fantastic source of dietary fiber. A single pear has about 5 to 6 grams. A study from MD Anderson found that this amount of fiber could lower the risk of tumor progression or death by about 30% in melanoma patients on immunotherapy. So, this humble fruit can actually help make medical treatments work better. And remember to wash it well, because you can eat the skin. Our third fruit is the kiwi, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Kiwis are a powerhouse for your DNA. Research shows that eating just 1 kiwi a day can fortify your blood to neutralize about 60% of incoming DNA damage. Eat 3 kiwis a day, and your body can actually start repairing damaged DNA. A study in Singapore found that women who ate 2 kiwis a day saw a 35% increase in beneficial lactobacillus bacteria in their gut within 24 hours. Over 4 days, their bifidobacterium levels increased by 17%. These good bacteria produce compounds that reduce inflammation, improve metabolism, and strengthen the gut lining. Fourth, we have berries. Dark berries like blueberries, blackberries, and even strawberries are loaded with ellagic acid and anthocyanins. These natural reddish-purple compounds have anti-angiogenic and immune-boosting properties. Let's focus on strawberries. They've been shown to improve metabolism, reduce waist size, and decrease body fat. And what's fascinating is that even though strawberries can be sweet, studies show they don't cause a spike in blood sugar. The bioactives in strawberries actually activate your body to burn fat more efficiently. So, don't be afraid of the natural sugar in fruit. Just be sure to enjoy them without adding tons of extra sugar. Finally, the fifth on our list is pomegranate. Dr. Lee often drinks pomegranate juice, and for good reason. The juice contains elagitanins, which can starve cancer by cutting off its blood supply. But they also do something amazing for your gut. They help grow a beneficial bacteria called Akkermansia, known as a guardian of the gut and our overall health. Interestingly, cancer patients who respond well to immunotherapy often have high levels of Akkermansia. This suggests that what you eat can directly impact how well your body fights cancer.